Reality TV star Thobile Makhumalo, also known as Makhumalo from Uthando Nesthembu, recently sparked a controversy after a radio interview where she appeared to dismiss Samke Khwela, the fifth wife of polygamist Musa Msaleko. During the interview, the host asked Makhumalo what came to mind when he mentioned the name Khwela. Instead of speaking about Samke, Makhumalo simply explained that the Zulu word Khwela means to climb, and even laughed while asking if the host had actually said a word. Her response quickly went viral online, with many social media users accusing her of being bitter and disrespectful. However, others defended her, saying she may have chosen not to speak about Samke publicly. The moment comes shortly after emotional scenes on the show where Makhumalo confronted Musa about hurtful comments regarding her inability to have children, something that has been so sensitive issue in their marriage. Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Please do consider leaving your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.